phone itself goes to the top, mounts there.
Hey everybody, Nick from Hawk Pro Detailing at SEMA 22, joined by Steve Brooks from MaxShine.
That's right.
Good sir, how are you?
Good to see you.
So I'm meandering around. I'm not trying to do videos with certain products. I'm just like, let me see what's out there.
Right.
And I saw this little contraption.
Yep.
You explained it to me and I was shocked. Yep. So I wondered, I sort of had this idea, the thing that every detailer needs on their garage wall. Can you tell me about this?
It's very unique. One of the things that we saw out there is a lot of detailers, phone in their back pocket, leaving phones in cars, on a seat, and then they're calling the customer, I think I left my phone in your car. So what we do is we have this phone holder. Essentially, it gets mounted in the shop or somewhere where you can set your phone, goes right on it, magnetic, so it's not gonna fall off. Also, you have the area down here either for your headphones or for your earpiece or for your charger. The unit mounts to the wall via a screw. It's actually designed so that you can the screw holes are designed to drop, it's called a drop lock, so you can actually take it off and move it to another location. So if you need to have your phone in your office or you want to have it in part of the shop, another part of the shop, it does lift off and it can be moved. The benefit here, obviously, is heavy duty. It holds any phone, Android or iPhone. The holder built in for your headphone, or you could put your charger or extra cable on here. The phone itself goes to the top, mounts there. What you can do is you can see it, set it, forget it. If you need to take it off, it is magnetic also, so that you can just remove it, take it off when you need it. Best thing is you're not going to break it. Carrying it around in your pocket, leaving it in the customer's car, any of that stuff. So you keep it safe, you can hear it, and it will save you a lot of heartache in the long run because it's there, you know where it is. The unit itself is very popular. You don't see it a lot of places. It's kind of going like wildfire. And you're just like you, I've had people go, what is that thing for? Well, that's what it's for. It's actually for the phone, so that you're not losing phones and you're not dropping it, not putting it in your back pocket, sitting on it. It's handy, and you can also hear it ring, everything from this particular location. So,
and then you also have a hook for your headphones, which correct. I was always an advocate. Wear those noise-canceling headphones. I don't know if OSHA approves, but for my hearing, I have the big Bose noise-canceling headphones. They go on a cart here, they go there. I mean, a rack for both of those. It's like
right. Yeah. And it's the thing is that the whole thought of this was that actually saving a phone. I mean, because they get broken all the time, especially as a detailer. I know when I'm polishing and doing stuff, I take the phone and shove it in my back pocket, and then I sit on it or I back it into something. If I know where it is, obviously, when you set it and you put it on the phone holder and you put your headphones down here or whatever you got, if that's what you're listening to, it's all in one spot. You can't lose it. It's right there. And it's heavy duty too. It's steel. It's actually stainless steel painted, coated black. Mount it wherever you want.
There's a few holes back here?
Yeah, there's a couple holes where you can actually lift it and slide it off if you want to have it removable. We also do private labeling. If you wanted to actually have your own logo put on it, we can do that as well.
That's so cool. What do these cost, roughly?
Retail on it right now is $29.95, and it comes packaged or not packaged. So you can have it as a retail resale piece, or you can buy it retail $29.95, just like you see it, but it does come in MaxShine package.
Everyone hates that question, how much does it cost? But it's the question on everyone's mind watching this.
Yeah.
And of course you have all your racks here, and I'm like, that's cool. Those seem kind of fun.
Yep.
They seem like they have a lot of utility, but I've never seen this before, man. I thought that was so cool.
Yeah. And it's new too, so you spotted it right away. It's new for us about the past couple months.
Anything else new here at the MaxShine booth?
A lot of stuff. Polisher. We have a new miniature polisher. We have a new rolling dolly, pretty versatile. Removable knee pad. Removable another dolly. You get two dollies in one.
Hey, brother, I really appreciate it. Stephen Brooks, nice to meet you. And man, where can they find this?
They can find it at www.maxshineusa.com.
All right, brother. Thanks for chatting with us.